Doing the Wiggles pour again today, just really in the zone, wanting to use some fabulous colours and bring up some really lovely lacy cells. So I am loading my canvas with all these lovely, very delicious colours. It was a decent sized canvas of 50 by 55, and I'm literally pouring all my colours on as you see, and I will be giving this one almighty swipe. So I hope you enjoy the process, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to, but certainly enjoyed creating this piece. I'm now going to swipe across the centre of this, and in that little bottle of magic is Amsterdam White with Australian Floetrol. I'm going to use my soft plastic file divider, which I find these tools the best for swiping really and bringing up the cells. So as you can see, I was getting some beauties in here, but I will bring you down closer to have a look at this. Really, this style lends itself fantastic really to do abstract landscape pours. It sort of adds lovely dimensions to it, and you can just basically do with it whatever you choose. You can push on from there and add something when it's dry, or simply leave it as it is. And believe it or not, with this piece today, I don't think I'm going to push on and do any balloon kisses or rolls in it. I don't think so. So we will see. I'll bring you down and you can see these gorgeous cells. As you can see, these up close are really showing you the detail in there, which when I'm filming with the tripod above doesn't show you. Just these absolutely gorgeous gems and colours in there. Having that gold in has just made it sparkle everywhere, so it really makes a difference. And yes, you can take high definition photos of certain parts of your fluid art pour and just have those printed, because they make definitely beautiful prints as well from these. But as you can see, so much detail in there that you certainly would not be able to get if you were just doing that by hand. How painstaking would that be to do all those kind of clusters and cells in there? Oh, super duper. Wow. So my cell activator in this was Amsterdam White with Australian Floetrol. So that's what made the lacing happen. The rest of my paints are just mixed Montmartre paints with my pouring medium, which is Montmartre clear glue that I make with warm water as my pouring medium, 70-30 ratio. But if you look in the drop down box under my video in description, it's all in there, the information that you may need. So There you go. Really happy with that piece. Super duper. I've just finished this piece and the video will be up on my YouTube channel. And what got these absolutely gorgeous lacing and cells like this is this white colour was Amsterdam white. Amsterdam is the brand of paint, mixed with Australian Floetrol, swiped over the paint, and then causes these lovely absolutely lacy cells with so much detail. They look like precious gems. You would never be able to kind of achieve this by just painting them on, or if you did, it'd be very painstaking. But look at the effects. You can definitely take high definition photos of all the bits that you like and make prints up just of those pieces. Or now you can put basically your art print onto anything, paper, bags, wallpaper, clothing. The opportunities are endless, but the effect is, yeah, super duper, super duper. Look at those. Awesome. Yes, I actually left this one exactly as it was. It was really pretty. I just enjoyed it as it was, very lacy cells, and I left it as is. So that's pretty unusual for me because I love to push on with the balloon and do other things in there, but I didn't with this one. So there you go. It was just a joy creating, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Take care until next time. Bye for now.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Wow, oh my goodness, I get some crazy ideas. But now putting that cell paint, just that bit of cell paint in the gold, has certainly sent up some cells in my painting. So it gives me the idea, can I use just that cell paint as my swipe colour to make cells on another pour? But that's for another day. But this was a 50 by 55, nice big canvas, really bright and beautiful. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it, because if you know me, I love my colours. I really do. So that's really, really popped, and I'm absolutely sure when that dries, it's going to just sparkle because of all the glittery paint I've got in there, the gold metallics and the graphite. So it was just a quick creation, I thought, using on that wax paper. So I can use the wax paper, I can leave the paint on the wax paper to dry and use it as skins or another piece of art, or do more dips on it. So the dip and twist for today. It is amazing what little things pop up in your piece. Okay, take care, bye for now.
I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two